Here's a demonstration on how to set up both a dynamic and a static Slack link for your Experience Cloud homepage. When working within the homepage, you can add an Centro Lightning Web component that has a connection to Slack. You do that by navigating to the component section and going to the custom items and dragging and dropping the single conversation web component. Once on the page, it will be blank. All of these options that display in the design time settings will be blank. To have it display a dynamic channel, you need to do the following. First, set the object name. On a home page, you can usually access the user and the account of the for the home page for that to reference. For the ID field, in this case, I'm referencing the current user ID. So that way the homepage knows that I want to reference the record of the user who's logging in. On that user record, I have a custom field called Slack channel ID. That Slack channel, that field has the ID of the Slack channel in it. And that's how we know what to reference. Additionally, you can reference the thread if you want it to be locked to the thread. We have the ability to have a display name. So here you can see that that display name says Slack, but you can have it say account to your team member, etc. We also have the ability to require authorization. In this case, I'm not requiring authorization because the Experience Cloud user is already authorized to log into Salesforce through Experience Cloud. So I'm going to leave that unchecked. And finally, I can set the component height. That's how you do a dynamic channel on your Experience Cloud homepage. If you're interested in doing a static channel, please note that that will be shared across all community users. And in that case, what you need to do is simply remove these items here. And paste a Slack channel ID from your connected Slack workspace. So in this case, I just pasted in a channel ID here, and we can see that it's loading here and will display here shortly. Please reach out with any questions.